welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim. Viewers, today we have decided to visit one local market, and this is not a normal local market. In this local market there are many kind of products, means many household articles, even the tailoring shop, electronics, as well as some household articles. So let's explore. Viewers, this is the starting corner of the local market, and I am looking here is the specialty for the kids, many toys. And if you buy these kind of toys from the supermarket, maybe their price is too high, but here they are with the very cheap price. You can see this is the big truck and having something and with only 28 RMB, and similarly this is the police car with the 30 RMB only, and many trucks 28, and these are the local toys for the kids. Wow, viewers, this is so big truck, and its price, let me see somewhere. Oh yes, only 45 RMB. Same truck I have seen in the supermarket, and it was about 250 RMB. It was very costly, and here it is very cheap. So sometimes local market is also very useful for you. So if you want to buy the toys for your kids with the cheap price, then must visit to these kind of local markets also. This is the summer time, and they also have many kinds of summer toys. For example, you can see here these are some kind of carts and some instruments. When the kids go to the beach side, they can play with the sand with these things. Similarly, here are some water guns, and in the summer the kids like it too much to play with the water and throw the water on each other. As you can see here, there is the, yeah, this is full fishing set, and this is also very beautiful toy, and with the very reasonable price, very cheap price. And furthermore, I can move here. You can see these are the for the swimming and for the playing in the water. These are the tubes, air tubes, and kids can play with this. And with this, additionally, you can move with me. I can show you very beautiful cart for the kids. And this car is look like the jumbo jet, and this is really very beautiful with a lot of lights. And these all things in this local market are with very reasonable price. So if you come to the Hangzhou, then must visit this local market of Kaohsiung. Viewers, I am in front of another shop, and they are famous for making the traveling bags. And one more detail I want to share with you is they stitch these bags here. They buy the all the fabric from the market, and then they stitch here. And it's up to you, even though if you want to have one bag of your own choice with a lot of pockets or with a lot of designs, you just said to the shopkeeper, he can amend for you. And these bags are very durable and very reliable. So this market really with a lot of designs, and here are the tailors, and they can stitch these traveling bags for you. Furthermore, they have some other accessories like the sole of the shoe, similarly the socks, and here even you can buy with a few RMBs many pairs of the socks. And they have the caps, hats, and undergarments, many traveling things, as well as you can see they have the small umbrella. So these all are very cheap, and this is for your traveling. You can keep it in your bag. Similarly, they have the small pouch bags, and these pouch bags they also stitch here, and very beautiful bags. You can have this, you can keep your mobile and your cards, your money with these bags. These are really very beautiful. And furthermore, one more thing, if you want to travel to the abroad, you must want some hand carry. And they have these hand carry with the various color, various designs, and these hand carry are not so costly. With very cheap price you can buy from here. And even these hand carry, if you put it and stand on it, they will not be broken. So this shop is really very good shop. You can see now I am inside, and this bag is by the leather. This leather is not pure leather but Rexian leather, you can see, but very beautiful bag for the female. And this is also one small bag, and these are the female pouches. You can see the female pouch, and this pouch has 2 to 3 pockets, means many things you can put in this pouch. This is the double pouch, and here you see the small hand carries, and very light weighted, and very good looking with the various colors, black, silver, golden color, pink color, as well as the greenish color. So really these are very beautiful bags. 你好，你们的东西很好，这个很好，很好看。Viewers, this shop is all in one. Even they have the helmet, very beautiful small helmets, even with the various size, the kid size, the elder size, with many colors. And I am also using this kind of helmet. Even I have already told that in China, even you travel by the e-bike, still you have to use the helmet. So these are very beautiful helmet, and you see this helmet even has the indicators. Means if someone is coming behind you, he can see you from the far distance. This will indicate you. So these are very beautiful helmet. Viewers, here I am looking, these are the wool threads. I remember that my mother, my grandmother, they often stitch the winter sweater by these wool threads, and you see very beautiful wool threads with the various color. This is the purple color and the green color, brown color, red color, yellow color, many, and I really remember my childhood when my mother and my grandmother, they stitch by their hands with these full wool threads. They make one sweater, winter sweater. So it's really amazing. Here I am looking at this traveling gas stove, very beautiful looking gas stove, very small. And if you have some plan for a visit or for the outing, you can take this kind of small and beautiful the stove with you, with the small cylinder of the gas for your cooking. And it has the various kind of burners. Even I think it can be used for the BBQ also. You just change the burner. So this is really very beautiful small stove for the traveling. And this shop also have some plastic products, some doormats, and here along my left side I can see these are the charging fans. The countries where there is too much load shedding, they always be worried about the electricity, and in this hot summer really they need the some air. So these charging fans are so good with many speeds, many styles. Even they can have the auto movement system with very good battery, and this battery is the durable battery that you can use it for the long time. And they have various shapes of the fan. This is one table fan, as well as the pedestal fan, bracket fan, even the ceiling fans they have. I can show you the ceiling fan, very beautiful ceiling fan. We can say this is the bracket fan, as well as you see here is very small ceiling fan, very beautiful ceiling fan. This is a little big ceiling fan, this is the small ceiling fan. So it's really very new thing here, and they have very, in the local market they are selling it with very reasonable price. Viewers, here are some bed sheets, and these are the foaming bed sheets. They have some kind of filling inside the foam, and with the various thickness. This is little thin, this is little thick, and it is the more thicker. As well as they have the blankets, they have the quilt, and mostly they use the polyester or a very good fabric inside it. Inside filling is very good filling, and these are also have the very long life, cannot spoil so early. Even you can wash them in the machine, and as well as you can use in your normal life for the long time. Now I am at that corner which female loves a lot, because these all are the household articles. Here is the very good thing. This is the rice cooker, and with this cooker, this is the auto rice cooker. You just put the rice inside it, as well as just add the water up to the level. There are the levels inside it. So you just turn on it, and after a fixed time it will turn off by itself, and your rice will be ready. This is the steaming pan. If you want to steam the vegetables or you want to make some steam roast, you can use this pan. And under this pan is the hot pot. If you want to use the hot pot recipe, so you can see this pan is the steel pan, very beautiful, and it's really a good pan. So here are some other pans with the glass cover for the normal cooking, as well as this is the electric kettle, very beautiful electric kettle. It has the one automatic electric system also. So this kettle is very beautiful kettle. Now I am towards the another corner of this shop, and here I am looking these electric rods to boil the water, and this is its price is only 5 RMB, and this is very reasonable price. As well as here I can see some stove lighters with the long strip, and this is also about 5 to 6 RMB, very cheap price. As well as you can come here, I can show you, here are some small stools for the kids. Viewers, people think that the time of the radio has gone, but old is gold. It still has the same taste, but now its models are more, and the new models, these are very beautiful radios are here. You see, this is the small one radio, and with looks very good. And you see the golden color radio, and some even giving the taste of the laptop and the small LCD screen. And these all are the radios, and they have the many functions. You can insert the USB inside it, you can insert the SD card inside it, and the charging earphone, and it has very big speaker with the tunable, adjustable, and it's really very small radio but have many functions. And this is, even if you like the to sing a song, this can give you the double functioning. You can take it with you outside when you go with your friends for the outing. You can take this radio, and it will give you the outside speaker voice also. You just insert one mic in it, because they have the mic function also, and you can sing the songs, and you can play outside. This radio, you can see, this look like the laptop, mini laptop, so like the MacBook Pro also. You see, very thin, and MacBook Pro very beautiful. So radio is radio, it's still giving same taste, it can never be old, still people like it, and they come to this market to buy this thing. And we can see many shapes and many designs of these radios. Viewers, in this market you can see, here is the tailoring and the stitching shops are also, and this eye is stitching very beautiful shirt, and they can also make the rain suit, raincoats, and same, I really remember my mother, she also has the same kind of machine and can stitch many things. So you see, she is stitching very beautifully, and she is the expert in these things. Viewers, as we know that China produce a lot of bamboo, so they often use the bamboo in the various products. As I can see, these are the small mats. You can use it at your table or on your chair, and in the summer it will give the cool effect, because it has the holes and it is very airy. So China utilize their bamboo to make many kind of products. Can be the tables for the eating tables, as well as the study tables, from the kids to the elders, various sizes. And in this market, these all products are with very reasonable price. Viewers, now we are at the other corner of the local market, and here I can see there are the some bike shops, and this they have some different thing, that they are selling the second hand bikes also. With the new bikes, they can sell the second hand bikes. If you are here and you want to buy the second hand bikes with the very low price, you can come here, they can show you many models with very low price. Even though they have the workshop, if your bike has some problem, they can fix it for you. They have the accessories of the bikes. This is another picture of the local market, and this is very big shop of the clothes, male and female clothes. So they have many varieties. I think they stitch by themselves, or they have some company, because here all the clothes are with very low price. In beside me is the t-shirt, because in the China the male and the female even like to wear the casual clothes. So mostly here are the t-shirts, some are the formal shirts are also, and as well as behind me are the female products. So this is the street style shirt. Here you can see this one is the blue shirt with the American V-how, there is the embroidery on it, and these all shirts are with very reasonable price, only 39 RMB. Even the gents pants here, and their fabric is not bad. This is acceptable fabric, and you can use for your normal routine. And these pants are also with very cheap price here in this local market. You can see various colors, various designs, because this is the summer time, so people prefer to wear the formal shirts, and even they have some Chinese style, typical prince style formal shirts. You can see this is really an amazing style, a different style for me also, because this is the Chinese pattern, means look like the prince coat. So it has a special kind of beads to close the shirt, and with various designs. This is especially the Chinese style of the formal shirt. Viewers, this shop is not only for the summer clothes, but they also have the winter clothes. Means a variety of clothes are available here. Behind me you can see these are the winter coat, the long coat, and this style is the Mongolian style. And this thing, this hairy collar, they like it too much. In many coats we can see this thing, and there is the price of this thing also. Means the coat that has this collar with the hairs, its price is little high. As well as you can see beside me, this is also one kind of winter coat with the polyester filling. So these are very warm clothes, but this is the summer time. So but I just want to share with you, means this shop is not only for the summer clothes, but also you can buy the winter clothes from here. Viewers, you can see what is in my hand. Actually this is the duplicate of big brand Fila. So this is this look like the shopping bag, but you know Chinese like this style too much. They like the shiny fabric, and this is the waterproof fabric. If you are wearing this coat, then even you can travel in the rain, and your clothes will be dry from the inside. So I have seen many Chinese, they like this kind of fabric too much. So this is from this shop. Even if you are the brand conscious, but you don't want to buy the brand, you can buy the duplicate of that brand. And this is not the Fila, but this is the duplicate of Fila. If Decathlon is so expensive for you, then compromise with the cousin of Decathlon. I have already shown in the Decathlon that there is the summer coat to protect your body from the UV lights. So in this shop I have seen these summer coats are also available. So if you don't want to go to the Decathlon, then come to this shop and buy your summer coat. Not only this, you can see there are many beautiful colors, many beautiful designs. This is the white and grey, as well as we can see here, wow, with the blue touch. The blue lovers, they can buy this one. So here are, and the price of these summer coats is also very cheap. So come to this cousin. If you don't like to wear the long pant in the hot summer, then buy the knicker, short pants. And they also have with various fabrics. This is the cotton fabric for the summer, very good fabric. As well as here is little very light and the silky touch fabric with the mixing of the cotton threads. So this shop is all in one. Whatever you wish, you can buy from here. This is the time to end our today's visit, and today we have shown you many good products but with very cheap price. So if you come to the Hangzhou, then must visit this local market of Kaosha. You can find many things of your own choice with many flavors, many designs, many things are available here. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.